G'day, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules millimetres, materials wetted, and white, but you can see there's a reflection of the lights in some instances. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer. First piece here is a bit of koroite, bit of colour up the top there. This is the outside of the stone. Another piece of koroite. This has just been randomly scooped out of a bucket. Nice blue flash there. The surface is undulating, so you'd need to polish it. We used to use it with a brush and diamond paste rather than some of the tips. This is a nice little piece, nice bit of colour in there. Bit of quilpy stone, another bit of koroite. Quite often it's worthwhile grinding the back off, or the top of it off. Colour quite often follows through here. Piece of quilpy. Just cut this into a shape. More of colour. Perhaps just a specimen. I don't think the opal goes up across there. I think it's just a little vertical seam like this is, except it hasn't formed. Have a little bit of koroite. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.